Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Viewers, welcome to my online geography class. Today our topic name is solar system, and this is also the part of the course which name is fundamentals of geography, and this course is recognized or verified from HEC for the complete courses of geography. It is teached to the students of MSc and BS honor and at different level such as CSS, PMS, BS and MSc geography also. So come, let's see that what is the solar system. Solar system. The Earth is a member of a group of celestial bodies called the solar system. This is a simple definition of the solar system, and this is an other definition of the solar system. This group comprises the sun and the celestial bodies revolving around it. Celestial mean genie and celestials mean planets also. The solar system is just one of a large number of star systems in the universe. In this diagram, we can see that this is the solar system, which consists on sun and 8 planets or celestial bodies. These all are the 8 planets which revolve around the sun and rotate around their own axis. Some of these 8 move east to west. For example, they move in this way, and some of these move from west to east, like our Earth. This move from west to west in this way. Some move in clockwise direction and some move in anti-clockwise direction. If they move here to here, then this will be anti-clockwise. If they move in this way, uh, then this will be, if they move in this way, then this will be clockwise. If they move in this way, then this will be anti-clockwise. So our Earth move west to east, and this planet move from east to west. In the next slide, we see some detail about other planets are. First of all, we see some detail about the sun. There are two basic concepts about the center of the solar system. One is called heliocentric and one is called the geocentric. Heliocentric means that the view according to which the center of the solar system will be sun, and geocentric according to this view the center of the solar system is earth. So we see in this description that who gives this concept and who give this concept. Copernicus was the first scientist to put forth the view that the sun is the center of the solar system. This view is known as heliocentric view. According to Ptolemy, the center of the solar system is Earth, which is known as the geocentric view. We can see in this diagram that the center of the solar system is accepted sun, and in this diagram we can see that the center of the solar system is shown Earth. Although this concept is no worked now, and this concept is worked, and all the people believe that the center of the solar system is sun. These were two concepts which describe that which is the sun. This was the old and this is the new, and presently all of the scientists and all of the researchers of the universe accepted this view that the sun is the center of the solar system, and all other planets revolve around the sun, and some satellites revolve around the other planets, like moon revolve around our earth, and some other satellites revolve around the some other planets. Difference between star and planets, because we are discussing many times, or we are using many times these two words, stars and planets. Stars are hot and luminous bodies in the universe. They emit heat and light due to their temperature. Emit mean खारिज करना, heat mean हरारत, and light mean रोशनी. However, all luminous bodies in the night sky are not stars. In this sentence, the writer say that it's not necessary that all the luminous यानी चमकती हुई bodies are stars. It's not necessary because some luminous bodies are luminous due to the reflectance light of the sun. So some luminous bodies in the sky are stars and some are the planets also. And this background of this text show that the best example of the star is our sun in our solar system planet. A planet can be distinguished from star by the fact that it shines more brightly and it does not twinkle. It's mean when we see a planet which is luminous, its shining is very high and it's not look like a twinkle. This is the basic difference between the stars and the planet. The sun. The most important element, the most important part of our solar system is the sun. The sun is the star closest to the earth. It is about 300,000 times larger than the earth. Its volume is about 1.3 million times the volume of the earth. Nuclear fusion is source of energy in the sun. This involves conversion of hydrogen into the helium. The temperature of the outer surface of the sun is about 600,000 degrees centigrade. These are some points which describe the feature, which describe the characteristics of our sun. First, that this is the closest to the earth. Third, this is how much time larger than the earth. And the third, its volume. And the most important is the fusion, are the source of energy of the sun, which is called the nuclear fusion. And in this nuclear fusion, hydrogen changed into helium. Regions of the sun. Structure of the sun. There are three regions of the sun visible to us. The glowing surface of the sun that we see is called the photosphere. Temperature of this zone is 6,000 degrees centigrade. Photo mean light, sphere mean part, or we can say that the part or a portion of anything. This is called the photosphere. We can see in this diagram that the part which we see is just very small, like this small strip. This is just photosphere. The layer around the photosphere is called the chromosphere, so named due to its reddish color. Its temperature is 10,000 degrees. Chromo means red. The outermost layer of the sun is called corona. It becomes visible during an eclipse. The temperature of this layer is about 1 million degrees centigrade. If we see here, then this is the core or corona, and radiation zone, जिसको convection, we can say convection zone, and then photosphere. These three are the main spheres, main layers of the sun, and these three layers have different temperature, and the outermost layer is called the corona, and after that photosphere, and after that the glowing surface is the photosphere, and this is the chromosphere. Corona, the outermost layer, corona, chromo, and then photosphere. Mercury. This is the first planet of our solar system. Mercury is the smallest among the planets and also closest to the sun. It rotates rather slowly on its own axis once in 58.65 days. I have explained the atom rotation. When any planet move on its own axis, then this movement is called its rotation. And Mercury rotate on its own axis and it complete one rotation in 58.65 days. The temperature on Mercury is very high and life is impossible here. It has no satellites. Venus. It is the planet closest to the Earth and is also the brightest planet. The orbit of Venus lies within the orbit of the Earth. It is called evening star when it appears in the western sky, and it is called morning star when it appears in the eastern sky. It rotates from east to west. This is east and this is west. It rotates in this way, east to west. And this is the shape, or this is the structure or diagram of the Venus. Earth. Earth is the third planet on terms of distance from the Sun. Average distance between Earth and Sun is 149.6 million kilometers. In some books, this is given in round form, which is 150 million kilometers. Due to presence of water on it, it is called blue planet. Earth has one satellite, the Moon. Mars. Mars is the fourth nearest planet from the Sun. It is also quite bright, and due to its reddish appearance, it is called the red or the fairy planet also. These were some planets description. After Mars, first was Mercury, then Venus, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. After that, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto are also the part of our solar system. Inshallah Ta'ala, it will help all of you about the topic of solar system, and we will meet very soon with any